Every year migratory bird makes their epic journey across Europe. They have been flying here for thousands of years. But recently they have been fewer in our skies. Some species have vanished entirely. Why? To find this answer, Christian is working for 20 years. He has been watching and studying birds very closely. He made a school of migration and he learned to pilot a microlight to fly alongside young geese to discover with them the pitfalls and dangers of modern world and exploring new way of crossing our lands, training them to survive, adapt to environment and migrate from one region to another, in a hope that one day they will pass this on. For this purpose, he had 8 brothers and sisters of geese. He became their adopted father from the moment they were hatched. Geese has ability to identify with whom they spent first few hours, no matter even it's a man. It is his voice along with his face that goslings recognize. Over the weeks, he keeps reinforce this bond even with microlight. They learn to waddle, flap and fly alongside microlight. Gray geese migrate from northern Europe to Spain to spend the winter. In the wild, they learn this route of migration by following their parents on the way down. On the way back up they often manage on their own. Flying in the crisp morning light, the landscape appears clearly: castles, church towers, villages, rivers. So many landmarks for my student navigators, who edge the route in their memory with eyesight that is 8 times sharper than mine. They calculate their position by stars and the sun, and possess cells capable of sensing Earth's magnetic field, a compass built into their eyes, and GPS in their beak. They are perfectly equipped, and yet it is me they follow.